The hot question of compound interest. A certain sum of money invested at the rate of 10% per annum compound interest. The interest compounded annually. If the difference between the interest of the third year and the first year is 1105. Find the sum invested. Means we have to find the principal amount. Okay. The interest rate is 10% per annum and the difference between the interest of third year and the first year is 1105. Okay. Let the principal equal to x and rate of interest 10%. Now the SI for simple interest for first year. Simple interest for first year is P into R into T by 100. The formula is P into R into T by 100. Now x into 10 into 1 by 100. It is x by 10. Okay. Now the amount after first year, x plus x by 10. That is 11x by 10. First year के बाद amount कितना हो जाएगा? 11x by 10. Now simple interest या interest after second year. Okay. The principal is this 11x by 10 P and rate of interest 10 and time is 1 divided by 100. Simple formula principal PRT by 100. It is a principal. 10 cancel 11x by 100. Now amount after second year 11x by 10. पहले कितना था प्रिंसिपल 11x by 10 था और अब इंटरेस्ट कितना लग गई 11x by 100. Now take LCM and add 110x plus 11x equal to 121x by 100. Okay. The interest after third year. Interest after third year. 3 साल के बाद इंटरेस्ट क्या होगी? प्रिंसिपल तो 121x by 100 हो जाएगा. रेट इज 10%. It means 10 by 100 and time is 1 year. Now 0 cancel. 121x by 1000. And according to the question, हमको क्या दिया हुआ है? The difference between interest after third year minus first year. First year interest is x by 10. It is x by 10 equal to 1105. The difference between interest of third year and first year. Now take LCM 1000 and solve. This is 121x minus 100x. 10 cancel. 100x equal to 1105. 21x equal to 1105. X equal to 1105 into 1000. Cross multiply and divided by 21. Okay. 1105 into 1000 divided. This will be equal to 5261 9.04. This will be the principal after principal. Okay, thank you.